Hi friend, today I will learn how to create DEM image to contour create. At first, open the DEM image. Open the DEM image. Go to the tools and algorithm librarian and analysis, DEM analysis, and create the contour generation raster image. Input this DEM image, new area and input and green signal. So complete the input and uncheck the view and click the browse output file name. Contour 2 and contour interval. Use the contour interval. So choose the contour interval 50. So run this process. Complete this process and open the contour 2 image and create the contour. This is the contour and right click of the contour and change the contour color red and green. Right click and attribute manage and change the other features of add the field new and other tools etc. Complete this contour generation or a DEM image digital elevation model.